So guys, it is Titus. I'm back with another video. Today we are talking about Bitcoin. What is Bitcoin doing? Why is it staying in a consolidating or accumulating phase for so long? We'll be talking about that. And that's it pretty much. I'll be on here for 30 minutes. So I'll be trying to do two 30-minute streams every day. Drop one video every day so you guys can stay updated on the markets, what the markets are looking like, how everything is going. And of course, we will always be lit on our stream. We'll be spreading positivity only, no scam coins in the comments. If you do see one, do not look at it, because the more you look at it, the more you want to buy it. These scammers are getting to different levels nowadays. They're getting different. That's all I gotta say. So if you are here, hope you guys have a good day. It's Monday, Memorial Day. Shout out to all the people who I serve and the ones who have passed serving. Shout out to them. And let's get it started. Alright, so we are going to be looking at Bitcoin. Let me see something. Hold on. If you guys didn't know, my favorite artist is Juice WRLD. So yeah, let me get you all right. Hold on. Cash. Don't. Rose. Alright, let's get this straight. My stream always does this. I don't know why it does this, but let's look at this Bitcoin chart. So we see Bitcoin has been trying to break out several times this past week. Several times. Look, it tried to break out up here. Came right back down, just had a downward trend the whole time. Then it started going up. Try to go up again, came back down. It's going like this, like a snake almost. Like the flow. So remember guys, these, don't think like when the price is going up, don't think like, oh, I'm getting left out, so I have to jump in at 3,700 or 37.5, and then the market dips or Bitcoin dips back down to 33, 34. So right now it looks like Bitcoin is in a heavy accumulation phase. So accumulation phase is where everybody's trying to get in. Everybody's trying to get in at a good price. They're trying to get in low, sell a little high, and just keep doing it. That's what the whales are doing right now. Some of the institutions, but a lot of institutions want to be able to buy low, buy a lot of it, and hold it for as long as they can. They might skim some, like when it's very high, like 65, but most of these institutions are buying to hold. They're buying low to hold, because if they have people on the inside studying this, looking at how Bitcoin is doing, and looking at its previous lows and previous highs, and the higher lows. Wait, hold on, let me show you this. Ooh, you ain't no telling what they on. But look, see how heavily it dipped? It went down, 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 down. I think the last time it was this low was, I think it's around here, 31, 32. Yeah. See, look at the previous low. It's trying to make higher lows, but the manipulation is very heavy in this little accumulation phase. So there's whales who are buying it low, shorting it at the top, and they keep doing that. They're trying to make their little money off of Bitcoin. Some of these people are just trying to make money. They're not trying to hold. They're not in here. They see it's a chance to make money. They're gonna do it. But the selling pressure is a little bit stronger than the buying pressure. That's why Bitcoin is staying in this phase, because there's not more buyers than there is sellers. And if there is buyers, those buyers are either looking to sell early or hold long. And looking to get in at low, get in at 33, sell it at 36. That's what some either whales, institutions are trying to do. They're trying to get their money. Put in $1 million, it go up to 36. Good to go. So when you do this, you gotta make sure you always put your lines in the resistance lines, so you can tell when the lows are, and if it's resisting against these lines heavily, it's a good chance Bitcoin has a better chance.
I'm just looking.
Better chance to just go down. So earlier it was resisting right here at what's this? 36.3. It was resisting heavy, came back down slightly, and pushed through that 36. It's looking to me like a bull trap. A bull trap is when in the bear market it is getting very it's going up a lot, basically. That's what a bull trap is in the bear market. The prices are going up, they're going up high, they're going up fast. And they're going up high, they're going up fast. And they're making people think, oh snap, I'm gonna miss out. It's going up very fast. And the next thing you know, Bitcoin back to 33K. That's what some of these people are doing. They're these institutions, whales, some of them probably working together, buying that low, pushing the market up, bull trap, selling, and then leaving those retail investors who think, people who are new to crypto, who think that was gonna be a bull run. Because some people don't want to see this bear market that there is right now. They're pretty scared of it. I don't know why, but they just look at it the wrong way. I think it's psychologically in their head. Like, they think, oh man, bear market, I'm losing all my money. But when you should really be thinking, oh, bear market, I can really make money better than I could in the bull market. Because if Bitcoin dropped back to 31, it that might be the last time it's going back to 31. So if you put in $1,000 at 31, $1,000 at 31, you'd be up right now a lot. Maybe not a lot, but you'd be up. And then say it's not coming back to 31 again. You're forever in profit. So I was gonna say that going back to 31 is impossible, but the chances of it going lower and slimmer every day because Bitcoin's just getting stronger, getting higher lows every day, or it's trying to at least. Right now, you don't really see that. I mean, I guess you could say you see it because look right here, and it dipped only to 34 this time, so that's a higher low. 33, 33.4 this time, so that's a higher low. But the only thing that's really holding Bitcoin back is the manipulation and what people are really trying to do behind the scenes. Institutions, whales, even retail investors. Some people are trying to short Bitcoin. There's nothing wrong with that. A lot of the people here to make money. So if you do that, just make sure you do it right. But like I said in my last video, Bitcoin is not heavily used. It's definitely not going to be heavily used in the future for any type of buying a car or heavy transactions. It's not going to be that type of system anymore. So Bitcoin is definitely hold on 1 second. It's definitely Bitcoin definitely is, like I said, a souvenir. It's not a heavy use case, but it's being heavily manipulated right now. Like, if you can't tell, you should be able to tell. It's not hard to tell. You see Bitcoin's trying to go down, and then these whales and institutions trying to give false hope by putting these little bull trends. There's bull traps or bull trends in here, so they can make you think, like I said earlier, make you think it's a bull that's gonna go back to 60K tonight. Like, nah, it's not gonna go back that high until we break above 43, 45, even 42 strongly. So there has to be more. Everybody has to be buying in and buying more than they are selling. So right now, as you can see down here, the selling pressure is heavier than the buying pressure. So it's a sell right now. It's not neutral. It's not even. It's not even amount of selling, even amount of buying. It's just a little bit more selling than there is buying. Because some people don't even want to look at Bitcoin right now because it's down. It dropped from 65 a month ago all the way down to 3.7, 3.1 really. So just be aware, like these bull traps, these mini bull traps. I'm not saying it's impossible to break out, but just be aware of these mini bull traps because they are meant to get you caught in there and get you burned, get you blown out. You see, it's trying to break through that at 38. It's trying to. Watch, you gonna see a red candlestick next. You see? See, look, selling. It's very strong. But if I were you, it's my personal opinion, I'll just collect as much Bitcoin as I can. Fill up on Bitcoin, cause chances we see it at a price like this again, it might be able to, like, once it breaks to 80 to 100,000, Bitcoin will definitely not drop back down to 31. I don't see it, because the market will be getting stronger, and like I said, there'll be higher and higher lows to where you won't see Bitcoin drop back to 31, 34 like that anymore. It might drop back down to 50 or 55. But if we keep getting these higher lows, the chances, like I said, the chances of it coming back down are strong, unless FUD news comes out, some fake stuff comes out about Bitcoin. Oh, Bitcoin it takes more energy than an AC unit. Like, I don't know, something crazy has to be said for it to be able to break those higher lows. But like I said, it's accumulation phase. Get your Bitcoin while you can. I'm not saying it's the last chance, but it's looking pretty last chance. Bitcoin is definitely gonna break out this summer. I think more retail investors will start. I believe the retail investors will, what do you call it, will overdo the institutions, because there'll just be so many retail investors. It will be crazy this summer. So just be ready for that. I definitely believe Bitcoin is going to hit 80K plus before the end of the year. So y'all be in tune for that. I will be trying to drop, at least stream twice a day, drop one video, because I gotta do some more research. Make sure you guys go follow the TikTok at that's Titus, or Titus. And I post a lot on TikToks, but it's a lot of information that's not being put in the right place out there on TikTok. People be lying on that, boy. Hey, that's what it is. And also, if you want to practice like quick trading, you're gonna use this app, Pocket Option Demo Account. See, let me show you how it works. So Bitcoin, what you think it's gonna do? I think it's going to the trend. It's going to go. Look at the sell-off pressure. Sell-off pressure is stronger. Did it go? Because look at the green candlestick, it couldn't push up all the way. So the selling pressure was heavier. So if you guys want to, like, if you never invested in crypto or never invested before, you're looking to get started, you can use a lot of these fake accounts, demo accounts, to put like practice in, like practice, so you can understand how the candlesticks work, understand how everything works. And it also gives you a little bit of motivation, like, wow, I can really do this, you know? And yeah, let's see if I lead the trade. Dang, I'm completed, guys. I made it. See, like I saying, look at this. It's kind of half and half right now. The buying is. Yeah, just pay attention to the higher lows, and you'll see where Bitcoin will be. See higher low drop down to what is this? 29K, but it wasn't officially like 29K. That's how low it went. And then it went up to 31, 34. The next one will be excuse me. Yeah, just look at the charts. The charts are very easy to read, especially if you have these lines, it's resistant lines and stuff up here. You'll be good. You understand like the higher highs, the lower lows, and everything on there. If you guys don't know what I'm using already, I'm using Trader View. Easy to use. Also, if you want to learn from somebody else, Expert Crypto is a good YouTuber. I watch him sometimes. He has some good books for sure. You guys should check out. Yeah. I'll be on tomorrow morning and probably tomorrow night. So I'll tell you in the morning just what I think is gonna happen later today, and then I'll tell you at the night if I was right or if everything went as planned. Guys, and also during this bull trap bear market, just remember to always look at the charts, not the news. Don't look at the news first, because once you look at the news, it's gonna alter your mind to thinking, oh, I have to get out of this before I lose all of my money. If you know what price, if you set a price to get in, that's a fair price. That's not overvalued, or you want to get it as undervalued as you can. You don't want to get it too overvalued. Make sure you find a good price to get in, so you won't have to worry about if the market is down. See, because if you would have caught VeChain on this dip, VeChain was like 7 cents, 7.5 cents, 7.5 cents. So you'd have been up. You'd still be up right now. I think VeChain's at 11. And not too long ago, VeChain was at 22 cents. So if you set a price point to enter into the trade or enter into your coin, that's not overvalued, you will be good in these markets. Just make sure you don't buy something when it's very overvalued, like Bitcoin. Some people bought at 60K, some people bought at 57K, 58K. If they're still holding right now, they're down a lot. And when you look at your account and see down 100%, 123%, 133%, 90%, 87%, it goes to your mind. It's like it keeps replaying and replays and replays, because I forgot what the saying was. It was like you need 3 wins to recover 1 loss or something like that. But losing sticks with you more than winning does.
Hey, TJ, go eat your fries.
So I hope you guys stay strong during these markets. Fine if you got in at 65 or 60K. Dollar cost average. This is a great time to even out your buying price. Even it out right now. It's half the price it was. 65K, 60K, 37K, just about half. But it'll probably go down lower, around 33, 34, 35. Get in there, dollar cost average. So if you bought in high, don't panic, don't worry about it. Just get in at the lower price to add up for that or make up for that. So hopefully guys have a good night. Don't put in too much where you can't handle it. You can't look at your phone. You stress out about your investment. Just put it whatever you can you're willing to lose and knock it out. So hopefully you guys have a good night. Stay strong during these markets and buy during these markets. Set a price point as well. Do not buy at any random price. Just set a price point. Okay, hope you guys have a good night. Checking out. I'll see y'all tomorrow. Peace.